Hello everyone, welcome back to the multi-threading programming in C#. In this video, we will discuss about manual reset event. So for an example, let's consider a situation where you don't have simple block of code which every time needs to be logged between the threads. In such situation, we can't use monitor and log. For an example, like we have a one read method and the write method. And write method, what it do, it basically write something into a file, and read method, it read the particular data from the file. Now while writing the data into a file, read should not read that, so such kind of the things we do using the manual reset event. So let's go to the Visual Studio, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to write two methods. So and that is public static void and write, and inside this one I'm going to write console.writeLine, and inside this one I will say write thread working. And similar to this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write thread completed. Now like this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another method, and that is the read method. And similar here, I will do read thread working and read thread completed. So these are the simple method I have written. Now next thing what I have to do, I have to implement it using the thread. First we have to join the thread. So before that, let's take the event, and that is manual reset event. Since we have the static method, so we have to make it as a static manual reset event, and this one I'm going to take MRE equal to manual reset event, and this take the initial state, and as of now I'm giving the false. So I'll explain like what is the meaning of this false or true here. Now what we have to do, like these two methods we have created, we have to attach these two methods. So like thread t1 equal to new thread, and inside this one I'm going to write the write thread. So I'm going to attach the write thread, and now here like t1 dot start. Now I'll take a one for loop, and this I will take till 5 times this loop should run. And inside this one what I'm going to attach, I'm going to attach the read method, the new thread, and I'm going to attach the read method, and from here I'm going to start it. So these two things I have done from here. So let's take it read. So far I created two normal methods, and I have attached these two normal method to the different thread, and this read method will run basically 5 times, like 5 times it will read from the data. Now we have to use, like when I am writing something into the file, this read thread, this thread needs to be wait, like it should not work at point of that time. So for doing that one, what we have to do, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to write MRE dot reset. So here if you will see, it contains two methods, one is the reset and another is the set method. So what is the meaning of the reset? So reset is basically nothing but the false. So when manual reset event is false, that time it should not work on this thread, like this thread needs to be wait, and when it start working, when this MRE dot set, when it get a signal of the set. So MRE dot set is nothing but it is the true value, and reset is basically false. And here what we have to do, we have to write MRE, here we have to write MRE dot wait 1. So this wait 1 is basically wait until this manual reset become the true, and it become the true when MRE dot set it get. So it get the basically it get the signal from here, like if this value is true, then it start executing of the read, And now here I'm going to write thread dot sleep. Now let's run your application. So when we will run this application, let's see what output we get. So we can see like read thread working and write thread working, and at point of that time like all other thread was working, and here like we can see after that write thread completed, then read thread is basically start completed. So for that one, like it's getting a little confused. What we will write here read thread wait. Now let's run. So basically like what will happen, until this thread is working, like it is taking time 5 seconds to complete this work. Once this thread complete the operation, this thread has to wait. After 5 seconds this thread needs to be start working. So now let's run it again, and you will see the output as expected. We can see all the read thread is waiting, and after that once the write thread completed, the read thread start completing, means start working, I mean to say. And we can see the output as expected, like after the write thread completed, the read thread start completed the message. So this is the way we use this manual reset event in the multi-threading of the C#. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.